based thermal conductivity delivers significant energy savings, reduces noise, and provides the highest level of fire safety. It's available in all dimensions, sizes, and shapes, fully tailored to your requirements. But what is vacuum insulation panel? It is an advanced insulation material made of a core, usually either superfine fiberglass with getter and desiccant, or microporous fumed silica, dual edge sealed inside a gas-tight envelope. Inside this sealed panel, we create a vacuum pressure of less than 10 Pascal, which greatly reduces heat transfer through conduction and convection. To reduce heat transfer by radiation, the panel is wrapped in a reflective aluminum barrier. To maintain the aging life of at least 25 years, we implemented getter desiccant. A getter absorbs non-condensable gases, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, etc., that slowly diffuses into the vacuum space or are released from the core material over time. In other words, it minimizes outgassing. A desiccant absorbs moisture that permeates slowly through the barrier film over years. Both help maintain the vacuum pressure for at least 25 years, ensuring the insulation stays effective throughout its lifespan. The lifespan of our vacuum insulation panel is, according to our accelerated aging test, is at least 25 years. After then, thermal conductivity may slowly rise by a few percent as the panel continues to age, but it will remain be competitive amongst other insulation materials at that age. Our vacuum insulation panel comes in a variety of shapes such as triangular, hexagonal, rectangular, square with holes, cubic, semicircular, and other customized geometric forms. For example, I wish to show you some of the samples that we have. The only limitation is that you cannot cut VIP on site. It is why we can assess your project design, analyze the dimension details, facilitate measurements, and produce bulk units based on your requirements. For example, we can create hole in the VIP, allowing space in certain areas for electrical wiring and sockets. But why our vacuum insulation panel is so innovative and smart insulation compared with conventional insulation materials? To compare the thermal conductivity and thickness parameters, first, just to repeat myself, lower the thermal conductivity, better the insulation, and lower the cooling or heating energy loss. What we see here is our 15 millimeter thick fiberglass vacuum insulation panel has a thermal conductivity of 2.5 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin and a U value of 0.16, and 25 millimeter thick fumed silica vacuum insulation panel has a thermal conductivity of 4.5 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin with a U value of 0.17 watt per meter square per Kelvin. That evidently offer the best thermal performance, far better than any conventional insulation materials available today. For example, even at 250 millimeter thickness, rock mineral wool still has a thermal conductivity of 34. Similarly, glass mineral wool at 200 millimeter shows a thermal conductivity of 44. PIR at 180 millimeter thickness has a thermal conductivity of 22. And as for EPS, even at 100 mm, it reaches a thermal conductivity of 36 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. So even at thinner dimensions, VIPs outperform all in terms of insulation, but again, what it means? It means that when you apply the vacuum insulation panel to this concrete wall, the effective thermal conductivity of the concrete VIP wall is reduced from 1630 to 35, a 97.9% improvement, while the U value drops from 3.4 to 0.159. This 97.9% improvement means that cooling or heating energy loss is reduced significantly compared to standard concrete wall. If we were to look at the solid brick wall, it also means that when you apply the vacuum insulation panel to this solid brick wall, the effective thermal conductivity of the solid brick VIP wall is reduced from 840 to 38 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. That's a 95.5% improvement, while the U value drops from 2.3 to 0.155 watt per meter square per Kelvin. This 95.5% improvement means that cooling or heating energy loss is reduced significantly compared to standard solid brick wall. Furthermore, it also means that when you apply the vacuum insulation panel to the cavity wall, the effective thermal conductivity of the cavity VIP wall is reduced from 380 to 41, an 89.2% improvement, while the U value drops from 1.5 to 0.15 watt per meter square per Kelvin. This 89.5% improvement means that cooling or heating energy loss is reduced again significantly when compared to the standard cavity wall. A similar analogy can be applied to various applications of vacuum insulation panel. Our vacuum insulation panel has a fire rating of class A, which refers to the reaction to fire rating of VIP or vacuum insulation panel, denoting a non-combustible material that contributes virtually no heat, flame spread, or smoke in a fire. It is the highest reaction to fire grade and broadly corresponds to the European National Standard 135011 grades A1 and A2. This brings us to the applications of VIP in electric and hybrid vehicles. Flexible VIPs can insulate dashboards to protect electronic screens and help maintain cabin comfort by reducing heating and cooling loads. They are also effective in managing battery compartment temperatures, supporting battery performance and lifespan. Applications of VIP in locally made materials. Flexible VIPs can be seamlessly bonded to local products in a particular country, like tiles, stone decorative coverings, or facade panels, without altering existing manufacturing lines. By integrating VIP into these finishes, manufacturers deliver premium, net zero ready products without added thickness or design compromise. Developers gain a strong selling point, luxury surfaces that lower HVAC loads and energy bills, while contractors avoid added wall depth or crane weight. A simple bonding station offers high margins and positions local suppliers as leader in sustainable high-performance construction. Application in transportation and industry trucks and containers. Flexible vacuum insulation panels improve insulation in large trucks and cargo containers, cutting fuel use, emissions, and energy loss, while helping preserve perishable goods during transport by maintaining stable internal temperatures. Applications in the construction sector. As we know, flexible VIPs can be integrated into building envelopes for superior thermal insulation in both residential and commercial structures, helping to minimize heat loss and reduce heating and energy and cooling costs. In retrofitting projects, they offer a practical solution allowing efficient insulation upgrades without major changes to the building's structure. Applications in refrigerators and HVAC piping. VIPs improve refrigerator efficiency by reducing heat transfer through walls, easing compressor load, saving energy, and freeing internal space. In HVAC systems, wrapping pipes with thin flexible VIPs can cut energy loss by over 90%, prevents condensation, and fits neatly into tight spaces. And it delivers high performance without bulky insulation. Applications in AI factories, data centers, electronics, and automation. In artificial intelligence factories, data centers, and electronics enclosures, thin flexible vacuum insulated panels can be applied around server racks or control boxes to stop heat buildup, maintain safe and steady temperatures, and extend equipment lifespan, all while reducing cooling energy use. In industrial automation systems, flexible VIPs support better thermal management and energy efficiency, helping improve system performance and lower operational costs. For more details about the vacuum insulation panel with flexible design, please visit www.sanulondon.com. So you can also download the product catalog by scanning the QR code. If you want the best, this is the best. We will make you a realistic, competitive offer that you would be inclined to consider it. We have an excellent and dedicated team, and we invite you to get in touch with our customer service team for further information, tailored price quotations, or to discuss your specific project requirements. You can explore our full range of vacuum insulation energy products, review details of the specification of each product, purchasing process, and browse our FAQs by visiting our website www.sanulondon.com. If you'd prefer a direct conversation, you are most welcome to contact me personally by email or by phone so we can discuss how our disruptive innovations can contribute to the success of your project. Let's work together to take a meaningful step forward in the evolution of energy savings by putting our vacuum insulation innovative solutions into action where impact truly begins. Thank you.